In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a tax form in the TurboTax. Delete a messed up TurboTax form. If a form was added by mistake, duplicated, or filled out with the wrong details, removing it cleanly can help you avoid errors later on. Here's how to do it inside TurboTax online, step by step, with a few helpful tips along the way. First, go to TurboTax and sign into your account. Open the tax return that contains the form you want to delete so you're working in the correct file. From the tax home screen, select Continue to enter your return and load the full interview. This brings you back to where you left off, which is the best place to start when you're making changes. Next, look at the left side menu and scroll down until you see Tax Tools. Click it to expand the options, then choose Tools. A pop-up window will appear with several maintenance choices. This is where TurboTax puts the behind-the-scenes controls that manage forms and entries. In that pop-up, select Delete a Form. TurboTax will display a list of every form, worksheet, and schedule currently included in your return. Take a moment to scan the list carefully so you only remove what you intend. If you haven't opened your return yet or you need to get back into TurboTax, use the link in the description to access your account and manage your tax forms. Now find the form you want to remove. Common examples include a W-2, 1099 NEC, 1099 MISC, 1099R, Schedule C, or other tax forms. Click Delete next to the specific form. When TurboTax asks you to confirm, approve the deletion. Keep in mind that deleting a form also deletes the data tied to it and may remove related worksheets. If a form was imported or pulled in from a connected source, it could reappear later if you re-import or re-enter that same information. After deleting, return to the main tax interview and confirm that the form and its entries are gone. Navigate to the section where it originally appeared and make sure it no longer affects your totals. If you remove the wrong form, you can always add it back later by revisiting the relevant income or deductions section and re-entering the information. To finish, go to Review and let TurboTax check your return for new errors or missing information created by the change. Address any prompts it shows so your return stays accurate and complete. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your TurboTax return with confidence.